So I'll be showing you how to turn on or how to enable disconnection alerts on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. Now these are basically alerts when your Fit 3 is disconnected from your phone. Maybe you forgot your phone somewhere or you're just leaving it behind. Your phone, every time your phone gets disconnected from your Fit 3, you'll get a notification once you enable this. So to do that, swipe up from the bottom of the screen on the watch and then scroll down and find settings. Under settings, go to advanced features, tap on that, and then you should see at the top of the advanced features disconnection alerts. So tap on that and then choose if you just want a vibration or you want full screen with vibration. Now I'll choose full screen with vibration. If you choose the other this vibration only, you'll only get a vibration and then you'll see the disconnection icon at the top here, but you'll not see the disconnection interface on the full screen. But for me, I want to choose this one. Now once you enable that, every time you're wearing your watch and your phone gets disconnected, maybe because you left it behind, let me just turn off Bluetooth so we can simulate that. You should get a notification on the watch. So let's just wait it out for a couple of moments. There you go. So there is your disconnection alert. So the watch is, or the Galaxy Fit 3 is actually vibrating right now and showing me that my phone is disconnected. Now you can also do this on the Galaxy Wearable app. So once you launch the Galaxy Wearable app, simply go to band settings and then go to advanced features, and then you should see disconnection alerts at the top there, and you can choose either vibration or full screen with vibration. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.